I'll show you how to send crypto from your Coinbase account into Coinbase Wallet, otherwise known as Base App or just Base. So this is Coinbase Wallet or Base App. Go down to the bottom, press the 2 arrows. Bottom left, press receive. Now what you'll be doing is using a blockchain network to send crypto from your Coinbase account into your wallet. And you need to do that via a blockchain network. That is going to change depending on which asset that you're sending. So if you're sending Bitcoin, you've got your Bitcoin address here. If you're sending stable coins like USDC, then you'll be sending them to either maybe your Solana address or one of your Ethereum addresses. So you can choose which blockchain that you want to use. If you're using Coinbase Wallet, then I'm sure that you know which blockchain that you want to use. And so you just need to get the address for that blockchain. All of the Ethereum addresses are the same. So Base, BNB Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, and a few others. You can just use your Ethereum address. If you're using the Solana network, use your Solana address. If you're sending stable coins, you've got a Bitcoin address here as well. So I'm going to send USDC. I'll send that over the Base network, which is Coinbase's network. So in my Ethereum address, I'm just going to press copy on the right-hand side. So I've copied my address here. This is the address that we're going to send to. Now we need to go into our Coinbase account and just withdraw those funds to this address. Over in our Coinbase Exchange account, what we now want to do is send crypto out to the address that we've just copied. So down in the bottom left of your Coinbase account, you should see this transfer button. So press that. And then it says, what do you want to do? We're sending crypto. So what we're doing is sending crypto from Coinbase over a network into our wallet account or our Coinbase Wallet or Base App. It blocks out screenshots and screen recordings. So I've taken some photos with a potato camera so you can see. So what we need to do here is paste in our wallet address for Base App or Coinbase Wallet up here in this search box. So paste that in, and then from there, it's going to give you options. Now, this is where you have to be sure that you know which asset that you're sending and which blockchain that you're using. So I've copied from Base App my Ethereum address, and I'm going to be using the Base network just to send that over. So I'm sending USDC. I know that on the Base network in my wallet, I can receive USDC, I can receive ETH and a few other tokens that are supported, right? If I want to send Bitcoin, then I need to go back into Coinbase Wallet and copy my Bitcoin address because it's a different address, right? It's a different network. So just be sure that whichever network you're using in your wallet, that you know which network that you want to receive it on and that you know that you can receive the crypto that you want to send over, right? So if you paste in your Ethereum address, for example, and then you withdraw Bitcoin, well, you're not actually sending Bitcoin out to that address, right? Because that's not the Bitcoin network, right? So what you'll be sending is probably some other type of token or a wrapped token or something like that. You know, and that's too much for this video, but you probably don't want to be doing that, right? So just make sure that you're using the correct network and you've got the address of the network that you want to use and you're sending an asset that exists on that network and there's no problems. So I'm going to be sending USDC over the Base network. So I'll press USDC here. And then from there it says, well, which network do you want to use, right? So in your Coinbase wallet, even though I've copied my Ethereum address, that's the same address across many different chains. So my Ethereum address works across Ethereum, Base, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Optimism, Polygon. And so when I'm sending the crypto over, even though all of these share the same address, they're actually different networks. So the way that we choose one of these networks is on the Coinbase side, in your wallet, tell them which network you want to send it over. Because in our Coinbase wallet, they all have the same address. So it's Coinbase Exchange that is going to choose which network to send it over. Now, when that asset hits your wallet, your Coinbase wallet, then it will come on that network. So even though these networks share the same deposit address, they're different networks. And so in your wallet, when it gets received into your wallet, this choice now is determinant of which network it's on, right? So if I choose Base, it'll be Base in my Coinbase wallet. If I choose Arbitrum, the asset will be on the Arbitrum network in my wallet. If I choose Ethereum, then the USDC will be on the Ethereum network in my wallet. These have the same addresses, but they're different networks. So choose which network that you want to receive that asset on. Click this. You can see the fees as well, right? So you have to pay this fee out of what you're sending. So on Ethereum, it's 15 cents. On these networks, it's free. Choose whichever network, and it's just going to confirm everything. So does your recipient accept USDC on Base? I chose Base. Yes, because Coinbase Wallet accepts the Base network, right? Obviously, because it's Coinbase's network. So I'm going to press Base. I'm going to send it over for free. Yes, just press yes, it's supported. And then from there, you're just going to tell them how much you want to send out. So whatever you want, and then just press preview on this, and it's going to give you the details and you can check everything. So we're sending USDC to the network or the wallet address that we pasted in here from our wallet. And you can just double check this, triple check that it's the same wallet address for your Coinbase wallet. The network is Base that we're sending it on. You can see everything here. If that's good, you can just press send now. That will send from your Coinbase account into your Coinbase wallet. Just send small amounts initially if it's your first time. Check that it's the asset that you want on the blockchain that you want to send it on.